Today we're showing you a 2001 John Deere 5320 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 541 quick attach front loader. Tractor has approximately 2,000 hours on it. The hour meter was replaced around 1,400 hours, and current meter has just under 600 hours on it. So right around 2,000 hours on this tractor. We took the tractor in on trade from a fella in West Virginia that was upgrading to a cab machine. Tractor's nice, it's clean, runs good, works good, no known issues with the machine. We'll take a walk around the tractor here and show it to you. Again, it does come with a 541 quick attach loader. Has the John Deere style quick connect here for your bucket quick attach. See some paint out of the bucket there from normal usage. Does have the front grill guard on the tractor. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor and loader. Certainly not perfect. It has a few scratches in it, but overall very nice tractor. Some scrapes on the side of the loader here. Tires are good. The front tires do show some wear. They certainly have some life left, but they do show some wear. Steps on both sides of the operator platform here, and you also have some paint coming off back here, as a lot of these do. Extra side work lights here on the fender. Back tires are in nice shape. Foldable rollover bar. It does have the rear work light back here. Also has dual remotes back here. 540 PTO. Drawbar and top link are both on the tractor. It does have the extendable 3-point arms and stabilizer bars on both sides. See, there's a little paint coming off the side there. Again, very normal on this series of tractor. Engine is pre-emission. It has none of the Tier 4 exhaust filters of any kind, so it is a completely pre-emission engine here. These tractors carry a very good reputation. Seats in nice shape. It does have the 9.3 sync shuttle transmission, which consists of 3 ranges on the short lever and then 3 gears in reverse on the larger lever. And all your controls are located on the panel to the right there. Loader control also right there within easy reach. PTO and 4-wheel drive engagement are located here to the left of the seat. It's a very nice, very clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.